Discord microphone not working for voice call or chat. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to fix Discord microphone not working for voice call or chat. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Discord application on your device and go straight to your profile. Here, tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen. You will be led to the settings page of Discord. Here, scroll down until you see the app settings tab, and under that, tap on the voice option. Here, firstly, under Input, tap on the Input Mode option and select the Voice Activity option. Next, set the volume slider to its fullest and then under Voice Processing, toggle off the button for echo cancellation. Now go ahead and launch the settings application on a device and scroll down until you see the Discord option and tap on it. In here, make sure all the options, especially microphone toggle button, is toggled on, and by now your Discord microphone should be working just fine. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.